thinking of a program. But talk about the Adamson program ni Tura.
About bringing Adamson back to the semis after missing out last year, she admitted na, quote, hindi pa rin nga nag-sink in that they actually made it this far. If anything, she's just really grateful and said it all feels like perfect timing, especially now that she's also the SSL ambassador, a platform she says is helping her pull the team closer and boost her confidence even more this season. Kanan Gaira?
Tudaw. Sa gitna ulit. Inactivate si Marga Altea naman.
Pass for UST already.
Combination play. A thing of beauty from Adamson.
Establishing their blocks dun kay Mordi and kay Nitura.
Oh, Marga Altea coming out of nowhere. With a nice serve, Cassie Carvalho.
Saiza Gula with a drop ball. That's good. Red gets it.
Cassie. They go to the middle. Avril Braun. Julia Balingit. Sugoy.
Balingit.
Moment no, for Adamson. Nitura with a nice pass. Angge Poyos. Deflected.
They go to Shai Nitura going through the blockers and that is in down the line. Pag nagsasalita sila, they say tayo, hindi kayo. So
Right.
it's teamwork talaga yung hinahanap nila.
UST, can they capitalize? Angge Poyos. She was denied that time.
That's still good. It's a chance now for UST to convert. Poyos, that set was actually a little too far from the net.
Adamson barely keeping that ball alive. Frances Mordi sending it back.
Mordi with a good block.
Depensa ni Avril Braun. Shaina Nitura. Bumalik ulit sa Adamson. Nitura. One more time is denied.
The blockings of Espanya.
Isa pa. At wala nang nagawa ng Adamson doon. Let's see if they could really find a switch. Julia Balingit. Umatras si Sagaysay. Pinuntaan si Red Baston. Carvalho to Angge Poyos.
Poyos with her 13th point of the match.
Sagaysay. From the pipe ni Tura. Grabe yung depensa ng UST. They're just all over. Frances Mordi hitting Cassie Carvalho immediately.
Wala.
Oh. Balingit.
Balingit once again from the opposite to the drop. This time read well by the blockers of front row. Mordi from the middle. Altea with that solid block.
Just unflappable at the net. The timing, exquisite. Nitura from the pipe.
What a dig by Pepito.
Kanina pa ginagawa ni Det yan. Mordi taps it over.
That's still good. Chance ball now for the Lady Falcons. How will they convert? They go to Red Baston going through the blockers.
Red Baston. Marga Altea with a sharp angle. Frances Mordi was denied again.
That's so good. Red saves it. They go to Mordi. Poyos with a perfect pass. Altea sends it over.
That floor defense impeccable for UST.
Altea once again with that monster block.